Now tell me about your ride. Nice car. Wait, don't like stock headlights? No problem, I change for you. How about these RA style LED projectors? Try them on. There, your ride will never look the same with these on it. So who am I? Well, I'm not just one person. I'm a corporation that thrives for the best service in the auto parts industry. But if you need a name to Google me, you can type this.
You're now watching a 2009 to 2010 Toyota Corolla projector headlight installation video. Let's begin by popping up the hood of our Corolla. Underneath, we will need to remove 4 10mm bolts that is pointed by the red arrows. After removing these 4 bolts, go ahead and remove these 2 plastic clips as you see here. There's another set of plastic clips underneath the fender well that you will have to remove as well. And in this segment, we're removing 4 Phillips head screws that's holding the top of the bumper. And lastly, before we remove the whole bumper, let's remove these 9 plastic clips. Now in this part, we be careful because we're going to tug on the bumper slightly so we can unplug the fog light. Go ahead and set aside the front bumper so it does not get damaged. And as you see here, the bolt that's closest to the headlight, go ahead and remove this bolt. Now at the top of the headlight, you see that these mounting brackets are being held down by 2 10mm bolts. Go ahead and remove these 2. And now you're ready to unplug the necessary headlight harnesses. Once you have your new headlight assembly on hand, go ahead and put back your headlight harnesses and your bulbs into its proper places. At this point, before I tighten everything down, I would check if all the headlights and the wirings are correct. Once you completed the installation, you're ready to show off your new headlights. Thank you all for watching SPECDTUNING installation videos.
Thank you for choosing SPECDTUNING videos to assist you. Please visit SPECDTUNING.com for more products.